Dive into the world of Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 Plus, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. Unveiled in 2019, this flagship phablet introduced the Galaxy Note 10 and the larger-than-life Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The latter, towering over its predecessor, boasts a massive 6.8-inch display with a stunning 3040 x 1440 pixel resolution, a visual feast for tech enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus packs a punch with its Exynos 9825 processor or Snapdragon 855 in select markets, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes. Need more space? No worries. Expand it up to 1 TB with a microSD card. Capture the world in vivid detail with the quad camera system, featuring a 12-megapixel dual aperture camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, plus a TOF sensor. Night photography gets an upgrade thanks to the wider aperture on the telephoto lens. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus stands out with its 4,300 mAh battery, IP68 certification, AKG tuned speakers, and wireless power share for reverse wireless charging. While the device supports superfast 45W charging, the corresponding charger is sold separately. Running on Android Pie with Samsung's One UI 1.5, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus introduces features like a dedicated screen recorder app for S Pen enthusiasts and Play Galaxy Link for streaming PC games. The device hit the shelves on August 23, offering storage choices in Aura Glow, Aura Black, White, Blue, Red, and Pink, with prices starting at $1,099 and $1,199 for the 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes models in the United States. For those craving 5G connectivity, the variant begins at $1,299. Explore the pinnacle